Media engine in JavaFX. Now we are focusing on media engine. The media engine component has been designed with performance and stability in mind and provides consistent behavior across platforms. Here you can see classes in the JavaFX.scene.media package. The diagram shows boxes that represent the classes that reside in the JavaFX.scene.media package and the variables that each class includes. The boxes drawn from top to bottom and left to right are labeled media, media player, media view, and media error event. Directional arrows connect the boxes. An arrow points from media box to media box to the media player box. Another arrow points from media player box to media view box. And third arrow points up from the media error event to box to the media player box. The media class variables are duration, error, width, height, and on error. The media player class variables are status, volume, rate, autoplay, balance, mute, start time, stop time, total duration. The media view class variables are media player, X, Y, smooth, viewport, preserve ratio, fit height, and fit width. The JavaFX media concept is based on the following entities. Media, the media resource containing information about the media, such as its source, resolution, and metadata. Media player, the key component providing the controls for playing media. Media view, a node object to support animation, translucency, and effects. Each element of the media functionality is available through the JavaFX API. This figure shows the classes that reside in the JavaFX.scene.media package. These classes are interdependent and are used in combination to create an embedded media player. The media player class provides all the attributes and functions needed to control media playback. You can either set autoplay mode, call the play function directly, or explicitly specify the number of times that the media should play. The volume variable and the balance variable can be used to adjust the volume level and right and left right settings respectively. Volume level range is from 0 to 1.0, the maximum value. The balance range is continuous from minus 1.0 on the far left, 0 at the center, and 1.0 at the right. The play, stop, and pause functions control media playback. Additionally, a bundle of functions handle a specific event when the player does one of the following: buffers data, reaches the end of media, stalls because it has not received data far enough to continue playing, encounters any of the errors defined in the media error event class. Media view class extends the node class and provide a view of the media being played by the media player. It is responsible mostly for effects and transformations. Its media player instance variable specifies the media player object by which the media is being played. Other Boolean attributes serve to apply the particular effect provided by the node class. For example, to enable the media player to be rotated. Here you can see media is connected to media player, media error event is connected to media player, and media player is connected to node. As an example, we can consider this package JavaFX.scene.media provides the set of classes for integrating audio and video into JavaFX applications. The primary use for this package is media playback. There are three principal classes in the media package: media, media player, and media view. As an example 2, we can consider this code segment. The class media player the media player class provides the control for playing media. It is used in combination with media and media view class. To display and control media playback. Media player does not contain any visual elements, so must be used with the media view class to view any video track which may be present. Media player is in the package javafx.scene.media. Here you can see a set cycle count method. Set the cycle count. Its effect will be constrained to 1 to integer.max value. Invoking this method will have no effect if media duration is duration.indefinite. Here the value is 50,000. Here the set rate method set the playback rate to the supplied value, here 4. Its effect will be clamped to the range 0.0 to 8.0. Invoking this method will have no effect if the media duration is duration.indefinite. the play method starts the playing media. If previously paused, then playback resumes where it was paused. If the playback is stopped, playback start from the start time. When playing actually start, the status will be set to media player dot status dot playing. Here the media view, a node that provides a view of media being played by media player. This following code snippet illustrate error handling with media. Errors using JavaFX media may be either synchronized or asynchronized. In general, synchronized errors will manifest themselves as an exception. And asynchronous errors will cause a JavaFX property to be set. In the latter case, either the error property may be observed directly and on error callback registers, or possibly both. The main sources of synchronous errors are media, and media player. The asynchronous errors properties are media.error and media player.error, and the asynchronous error callbacks media dot on error and media player dot on error and media view dot on error. Some errors might be duplicated. For example, a media player will propagate an error that encounters to its associated media and media player to all its associated media views. As a consequence, it is possible to receive multiple notifications of the occurrence of a given error depending on which properties are monitored. Here you can see the section handle asynchronous error in media object. Here handle asynchronous error in media player object. And here handles asynchronous error in media view. Here handle asynchronous. Here handle synchronous error creating media player. And here handle exception in media player constructor. and here handle synchronous error in creating media, handle exception in media constructor. Here you can see the code domain related to media engine is in green color. As an exception example, we can consider class media exception. A media exception describes a runtime error condition in a media player or media view. This class is in package JavaFX.scene.media. As an error example, we can consider this error occurred on line import JavaFX.scene.media. The error package JavaFX.scene.media does not exist.